Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's videos we are going to talk about something every Revit user should understand: shared parameter. They might sound a bit confusing at first time, but by the end of this video you will know exactly what they are, when to use them, and how to create your own. So let's get started. Here is the table of the contents. Introduction: what are the set parameter, why use set parameter, how to create a set parameter, how to use set parameter, best practices and tips, and wrap up. The first point is, what are the set parameter? In Revit, parameter control the information or data attached to the elements, things like dimensions, materials, and IDs. Set parameter are a special type of parameter that can be used across multiple projects and families. They are stored in a separate text file outside your Revit project, which means you can use them consistently across your entire organization. Unlike project parameters, set parameter can appear in tag and schedules, making them ideal for information that need to be both visual and reusable. Why use set parameters? So why are set parameters important? Imagine you are working on a large BIM project and you want every door across multiple models to have the same custom properties like category and material. Use set parameter ensure that this data is consistent, transferable, and can be scheduled and tagged in all your projects. In short, they help maintain data integrity and standardization in BIM workflow. If you are not using the set parameter, then the data in the project specific only, it cannot be used in another projects. Custom parameter cannot be tagged. Families lose parameter when loaded. No standardization among the team and organization. Harder to manage the BIM data. If you are using the set parameter, then the data can be reused across families and projects, can be tagged and scheduled. Families retain parameter data full consistency across project and other organizations. Also, easier BIM collaboration, we can use and do the facility management with the information what is stored in the set parameter and assess tracking. Now how to create a set parameter? Let's create one step by step. Go to the manage tab and click on set parameter. If you don't have a set parameter file yet, click create and save the file, usually as company name underscore set parameter. Now click new group to organize your parameter, for example LOD 400. Inside the group, click new parameter, give it a name like company name ST underscore category. Choose a parameter type, say text, and click on OK. Now you have successfully created a set parameter. Now in the Revit session, just go to manage tab. Now set parameter, close it. Now we need to create a one set parameter file. Just click on create. I want to provide the name st set parameter sample text file. Okay, save it. Now we have to create a group of the parameters. Click on new. I want to make a group name LOD underscore 400. Okay, in the LOD 400 parameter group I want to add some parameters. Click on new st underscore level, discipline will be common, data type will be text. Okay, now I want to create one another parameter in the same parameter group, st underscore category, the data type will be text. Okay, so I have created two parameter in parameter group LOD 400. Now I want to create one another group, so just click on new LOD underscore 500, click OK. In the LOD 500 parameter group I want to add one parameter, for example remark. It is will also in the text. Okay, so I have created two parameter groups, LOD 400 and LOD 500, and in both the parameter group I have added some of the parameters. So in this way we can create the set file. Now let's jump to how to use the set parameter. Once created, you can use set parameter in two main ways. One is in the families, second one is in the project. In the families, open a family, go to the family type and add parameter and choose the set parameter and link it to your set parameter file. In project, go to manage tab, project parameter, add and choose set parameter again. This allow it to appear in schedule and text. And just like that, your parameter is now set across your Revit environment. Now let's jump to Revit session. So in the Revit, we have already created the set parameter file. Now how to use the set parameter file? There are two ways. One way is in the family we can provide the set parameters and we can load the family into the Revit environment. For example, this is the file family. I am editing the family. In the family, I will go in the family. I will go to family type. I want to add that set parameters. In the family, I will go to family type, and from the set parameter file I want to add one of the parameter. So go to new parameter, click the set parameter file, select it, select the parameter which I want to add in this family. For example, structural category I want to add here. So click on OK. In the group parameter it should be text, no issue. Now we need to convert type or instance, so we will click on instance. OK. So here you can see in the text group structural category is added. So click on OK. Now we will load this family into the Revit environment. Okay. If I will select this one, here you can see in the text group structural category is added. So in this way, in the families edit type we can add the parameters and we can load into the Revit environment. The another way is directly we will select all the families and we will load into the project environment. The second option is we will go to manage tab, project parameters. Here no parameters are here, so I will just add the parameter from the set file, select and what parameter I want to add. For example, structural category and structure level. So structure category, click on yes, instant. Now I want to choose on which families it need to be added. So structural, I will select some of the families: structural column, structural foundation, families, and wall and floor. So I have selected some of the Revit elements. Click on OK. Click on OK. So all the selected elements will show this property. For example, I have clicked here in the text group, structural categories are added. Similarly, I can add another also. Click on it, add new parameter, click on set parameter file, select. I want to add the st level. Okay, same element I will select again, wall, structural column, framing, foundation and floor. Click OK. OK. So here you can see the structure level is also added. Now all the parameters are added in the column, wall, foundation. Here you can see remark, st category, st level. If I will click on the column, remark, st category, st levels, foundation, remark, st column, st levels. So by this way we can add the parameters in our Revit environment. Now we need to fill the data as per our requirement. With the help of this data we can use further in scheduling, tagging and facility management. That's all. Now this parameter can be filled as per our requirement, so we can use this model and these parameters as per our beam collaboration, facility management and as per client requirement. Now best practices and tips. Keep one master set parameter file for your whole team to maintain consistency. Name your parameters and group clearly. Avoid duplicates or versions with similar names. Backup your set parameter file regularly. It's the backbone of your project data. And finally, only give access to team leads or beam coordinator to modify the set parameter list. And that's it. You now know what set parameters are, how to create them, how to use them in both families and projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your fellow Revit users. Let me know in the comments what topic you would like to see next, maybe project parameter or Revit family management. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.